I tried to prove Neville Goddard wrong, so I did his ladder technique for 3 days. And on the third day, I found myself climbing a ladder. And the craziest part is I wasn't even trying to make it happen like that. Wasn't trying that hard. Now, if you ever heard of manifestation, you've probably seen a million different techniques. Visualize this, affirm that, believe harder. And if you're like most people, you tried it, nothing really changed. So when I heard about this technique, the ladder technique, I thought, well, this sounds like complete nonsense. But this technique does come from Neville Goddard, and it was meant to prove something very specific, that your imagination creates your reality. So here's how it works. At night, right before sleep, imagine climbing a ladder, not watching it, not thinking about it, just feeling it. Your hands gripping the sides, your feet stepping up, the movement of your body. And you loop that scene over and over until it feels real. But here's the part that confused me. During the day, you say, I will not climb a ladder. Put sticky notes everywhere. I will not climb a ladder. So naturally I'm thinking, okay, well, this definitely is not gonna work. So on the first night, I'm lying there trying to imagine this ladder, and it felt a bit forced, like I was pretending. On the second night, it started feeling a little bit easier, a little bit more natural. So practice does make perfect. Nothing exciting, just normal. And on the third night, I could barely even think about it. It was just something that I did before sleep. And that's when everything shifted. So I'm also an artist, so I got this opportunity to paint a mural. Originally, I thought it was gonna be something small, eye level, until I realized I needed to climb a ladder. And I'm standing there on this ladder, and it hits me. Wait, this actually works. And what's crazy about all this is that I wasn't trying to make it happen. In fact, I was trying to prove it wrong. And this is where everything clicked for me. It wasn't about the ladder. It wasn't about the technique itself. It was about what happened to my subconscious mind. Because during the day, you could say whatever you want. You could say affirmations, you could say positive thoughts, you can talk about your goals, but your conscious mind is always there, filtering out everything. You doubt it, you question it, you resist it, but right before sleep, your guards are down. You're not analyzing, you're not debating. That's the best time to reprogram your subconscious mind because you're just accepting. And that's when I had this realization that if you can manifest something this specific without trying, without forcing it, without believing it would work, what else is possible? So this isn't about ladders, it's about proving something to yourself, that your imagination creates reality. So if you're gonna try this, don't overcomplicate it. Tonight, pick something specific, very simple, loop it over and over before sleep, and then let it go. So go ahead and like this video, show some love in the comment section. And if you're interested in reprogramming your subconscious mind for automatic success, I created a video right here, check it out.